Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, question number 21. Discuss the continuity of the following functions. A. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. B. F of x is equal to sin x minus cos x. C. F of x is equal to sin x into cos x. Okay, here question number 21. A. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Here we have to know the trigonometry's values. Okay, for sin and cos. Here sin 0 degree, sin pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Okay, here 0 degree, 30, 60, here 45. Okay, 60, 90. Okay, here sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, here sin 45 1 by root 2, here sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Here for cos, here it is reverse. Okay, cos 0 1, here root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2, here cos 90 0. Okay, pi is nothing but 180. If you divided by 6, you will get 6 3s are 18, therefore 30. Okay, similarly you have to solve these values. Okay, here sin x plus cos x, therefore we have to take f of x is equal to, I am dividing and in the numerator and denominator by root 2. Okay, here sin x plus cos x, therefore keeping root 2 here, this 1 by root 2 I am multiplying inside. Okay, sin x 1 by root 2 plus cos x, here 1 by root 2. Okay, here root 2, here sin x, here cos pi by 4. Okay, cos pi by 4, here 1 by root 2. Similarly cos x into sin pi by 4. Okay, here root 2 sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here formula sin x plus pi by 4. Okay, here this is my f of x. Now I am substituting the value of x, we can take any value, therefore I am taking let k be any real numbers. Okay, let k be any real numbers. Here limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to limit x tends to k, here root 2 sin x plus pi by 4. Okay, here in the place of x you have to substitute the k, therefore root 2 sin k plus pi by 4. Okay, here next f of k, in the place of k we have to substitute x. Okay, therefore k plus pi by 4. Here limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of k equal to root 2 sin k pi by 4. Okay, therefore here it is equal, here it is continuous. Okay, I hope you all understood. Here f of x is equal to sin x minus cos x. Similarly here plus, here minus. Therefore the same procedure you have to follow. Okay, in the place of plus you have to put minus. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to root 2 divided by root 2. Therefore sin x minus here, okay, cos x. Therefore I am keeping the numerator root 2 and 1 by root 2 I am multiplying inside. Therefore sin x 1 by root 2 minus cos x 1 by root 2. Okay, here keeping my root 2, here sin x cos 1 by root 2 here is nothing but cos pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4 is root 2 minus cos x minus here sin pi by 4. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Formula, in the place plus here you have to substitute minus. Okay, therefore root 2 sin A minus B. In the place of A, here x is my A. Okay, x minus pi by 4. Here x minus pi by 4. Okay, here it is my function f of x. Now limit x tends to k, because here in the place of x we can take any value. Therefore I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Okay, here limit x tends to k f of x. Here in the place of f of x we have to substitute root 2 sin x minus pi by 4. Okay, here now you have to substitute the value of k in the place of x. Therefore root 2 sin k minus pi by 4. Okay, next f of k. F of k is nothing but root 2 sin k minus pi by 4. In the place of x we have to substitute k. Therefore these two are equal. Finally you have to write limit x tends to k f of x is equal to f of k equal to root 2 sin k minus pi by 4. Here it is continuous. Okay, similarly here also it is continuous, here also continuous. Okay, at any value of given real numbers. Okay, here it is continuous. Next, C. Here f of x is equal to sin x into cos x. Therefore here you have to take f of x is equal to sin x dot cos x. Here we know that formula, sin 2x is equal to 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore we required 2. Okay, so that I am multiplying and dividing the 2, sin x cos x. Okay, here 2 sin x cos x is equal to reduced to sin 2x divided by here this 2. Here this is my function f. In the place of x we can substitute any real values. Therefore let k be any real numbers. Okay, k be any real numbers. Here limit x tends to k f of x. Here limit x tends to k. In the place of f of x my function is sin 2x divided by 2. In the place of x you have to substitute the k, sin 2k divided by 2. Okay, again f of k. Here limit x, here no need to apply the limit. Okay, in the place of x you have to substitute k, therefore sine 2k divided by 2, therefore these two are equal. Okay, finally you have to write limit x tends to k, f of x equal to f of k equal to sine 2k by 2. Therefore here it is continuous at any real values. Okay, for any real numbers here it is continuous. Okay, whenever the plus or minus coming you have to take root 2 by root 2. Okay, because for reducing into sin a plus b, formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, similarly for negative, minus sin a minus a minus b. Okay, here you have to take formula. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore here sin theta cos theta is available, but 2 you have to take. Therefore we have to multiply and divide by 2. Therefore here in the numerator you can reduce sin 2 theta divided by 2. Therefore let k be any real numbers. Therefore here it is continuous. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 21. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.